Hi, I'm e-commerce. On this video, we will giving a quick study tips before taking an exam or a quiz. So, watch the full video to learn. First quick study tip, know your coverage. So, it is important to know the coverage of the exam or a quiz. Baka napakalayo na narating mo and sadly hindi para doon nakafocus ang exam or quiz. So, I recommend you to ask your classmates or your prof for the coverage. In some cases naman, hindi talaga mawawala yung mga classmates natin na competitive. Ang mag-ask lang naman tayo about sa coverage ng test and ayaw pa ibigay. Teacher girl! Don't be like that po. We have as well na mga ibang prof na pa-surprise ang coverage. Hindi sasabihin ang coverage ng test. Wala pa tayo. So, in this case, try to remember when was the last time na nag-quiz or exam kayo and ano-ano ang mga topics ang na-include doon. And from that point, the possible coverage for the quiz or exam is the first topic after the test up to the last topic na lesson before the exam. So, yun ang first quick study tip natin. Second quick study tip, set a mindset. So, we have a lot of negative thoughts and what ifs that popping up in our mind and partially kasalanan din natin yun. Sarap kaya mag-procrastinate. But anyway, our thoughts are important to set a mindset. Try to be more positive thinker and set a mindset of today I stay training will make a history that no man could never done it before. With this mindset, we'll give more confidence and focus to pass the quiz or exam. We're going to be rewarded. So our third study tip is familiarize and memorize smartly. This is the most common study tip na binibigay talaga. But somehow, I disagree yung don't memorize instead of familiarize. Kasi during the exam or a test, yung ginagawa mo lang is to familiarize the lessons. Yung result is will be familiar na lang lahat. Like, yung mga questions na, familiar lagi ito. So, I recommend that you need as well memorize some important key terms or important points na yon, and then the rest was to familiarize para may maisagot tayo mga ate and kuya sa exam. So, next study tip is be confident. This would be the last study tip for you guys. So, quick naman ito. So, if you want a longer study tip, we can make a separate video for that, and also mga tip for during the exams or a test. So, kahit na less than 1 hour na lang ang time mo to study, always be confident. Always be confident talaga. Confident na lang yung labanan natin dito. So, na makakaya mong sagutan and pass the quiz or exam. So, next time mga ate and kuya, try to study ahead of time kasi hindi po tayo mga gifted. We are normal people. I really salute those people na hindi ni-review ang lessons pero pumapasa. And then may high score pa. How to be you po. So, that's it guys for our quick study tip for this video. So, that's it guys. I hope na this video will help you to improve yourself more, and if you like this video,